Are your admin staff still manually typing information into your business system from paper documents like invoices or remittances? Boring, repetitive tasks performed by your staff waste time, saps their enthusiasm, and makes them much less productive. Did you know there was a much easier way? Our Accounts Genie can automate the whole process. We can either scan paper invoices like this, or if they're emails, our Accounts Genie can collect attachments and process the data automatically. Once scanned, they are presented in our Accounts Genie system for verification. Step 1. For security reasons, most businesses want a different member of staff entering and checking data. Before pressing send, it is forwarded to the next level for authorization. Here you can see what we've captured from the invoice. We've got reference number, date, amount, and document type. We can extract the information you need, and then you can see we have manually cut and pasted additional information if required. Our Pro version can even extract all line items for stock updates and control. Step 2. Authorization. Once Step 1 has been completed, the system forwards this to the next level for authorization. We can add as many levels as your workflow requires. As our Accounts Genie is web-based, these steps can be completed online from anywhere in the world with an internet connection. Once the data is collected and authorized, the information is imported into the account system of your choice. Plus, all documents are saved as a searchable PDF, meaning no lost documents ever again. We can even embed a link in the data, so if queried, your software can pull up the information at a moment's notice. Our Accounts Genie will not only increase productivity, but also staff satisfaction while reducing errors, increasing your security while saving you money. If you would like more productive staff and a happier place to work, call us now on 9472 3722 for an obligation-free chat.